Good idea. This is the fun part. Let's start with food.
Yes. Okay, Paul. What is your favorite food?
Hmm, this is a difficult question. I like many foods.
Just choose one.
Okay, I think my favorite food is pizza.
Pizza. A great choice. I love pizza too.
What kind of pizza do you like?
I like vegetable pizza with tomatoes and peppers and onions.
That sounds healthy and delicious. I like pepperoni pizza.
A classic. Good choice.
So, is pizza your favorite food too?
It's one of my favorites, but my number one favorite food is pasta.
Ah, pasta is a good choice too. Very yummy.
Yes, I love it. Okay, next favorite thing. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue, like the sky.
Blue is a very nice, calm color. I like it.
Thank you. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Green, like the trees and the grass in a garden.
Exactly. I love the color of nature.
That's beautiful. Blue sky and green grass. Perfect.
It is. Okay, what's next? Favorite animal?
Oh, this is easy for me. My favorite animal is a dog. Of course.
I know, because of Max.
Yes, dogs are loyal and friendly. I love them. What about you? Is your favorite animal a cat?
Yes, I love cats. They are so elegant and independent.
Elegant. That is a good word for cats.
They are. Okay, let's move on to hobbies.
Hobbies, the things we do for fun. Great topic. What are your hobbies, Emily?
Well, I am an art student, so my hobby is painting.
Of course. Do you paint a lot?
Yes, every weekend. It helps me relax. I also like to read books.
Reading is a fantastic hobby. What kind of books do you read?
I like storybooks. Adventure stories are my favorite.
Adventure stories. How exciting!
It is. What about you, Paul? What are your hobbies?
I have a few hobbies. I love listening to music.
Music. What kind of music do you listen to?
I like rock music, old rock music.
Ah, very cool. And what else?
I also like to play sports. I play soccer with my friends on Saturdays.
Soccer. You are very active.
I try to be. It's fun to run and play with friends.
That's great. So, you like sports? Do you like to watch movies?
Yes, I love watching movies, especially comedy movies. I love to laugh.
Me too. Laughing is the best. I like comedy movies and also animated movies.
Animated movies are great. So much imagination.
Yes, they are beautiful to watch too.
This is great. We are learning so much about each other.
I know. It's like we are answering, tell me about yourself right now.
Yes, we are. We are giving a very long answer.
A very, very long answer. Let's think. What else?
Hmm. We can talk about things we don't like.
Oh, that's interesting. Okay. What is a food you don't like, Paul?
A food I don't like.
Yeah, now stop it.
Let
Before you all are going to start, I have some questions to ask. I'm asking some question, and it will help you to memorize all the things and all the points. Hmm. So, Ishak, the first question is from you. And please don't do late. When I'm asking, try to give the answer quickly. Okay. Okay, I'm not going to tell like call the names. I'm not going to call the names. Whoever knows the answer, please let me know. Okay, so you all can unmute the mic and you all have to be ready. Like if you know, then please tell. Yeah, so first question is what is the favorite food of Paul?
Pizza.
Pizza. Okay. Okay.
Pepperoni pizza.
And yeah, there is a very good thing that whoever will be first, whoever will give so many answer, okay, I will observe all that. Whoever gives so many answer and correct answer, so that person will get a benefit.
Pepperoni
I
pizza.
will call her or his name at the very last for the explanation. Okay. So this is the benefit. And whoever is going to be silent,
Yes,
not
Wednesday.
giving, whoever is not giving any answer, just sitting silent, that person's name I will call at the first, at the very
Silent.
first.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So now you have to decide. What is the favorite food of Emily?
Emily is pasta. Favorite food is pasta, and also love pizza.
Which kind of pizza?
Pepperoni.
Onion and fish. क्या था?
Emily loves veg pizza, but she
Vegetable,
also
onion and
loves
pepperoni. Pizza.
pepperoni तो
Okay.
pepperoni pizza तो उनका था ना पॉल का favorite.
Okay, okay.
One thing also I have to mention, you are giving when you give answer, try to make full sentence. When you are giving answer in full sentence, then I will accept your answer. Otherwise, I have not what accepted. Okay.
Oh my God.
So till now, I didn't get the answer. Emily's favorite food,
Emily's
like
favorite
pasta.
food is
Yeah.
pasta,
Hmm.
like onion, vegetable.
Pasta.
Okay.
These
Emily
things
also,
included.
Emily also fond of pizza. But what kind of pizza? Emily loves to eat what kind of pizza?
She loves
Can I say?
vegetable like pizza,
Hmm.
included onion, capsicum, and some
Okay.
vegetables, and healthy
Okay.
pizza.
Hmm. Now the next. What is the favorite color of Paul?
The
Blue.
favorite color of Paul is blue, like a sky.
Like blue sky.
आज
Okay.
मेरे को सबसे
What is the
लास्ट में
favorite?
बोलना है एक्चुअली वो इतने फास्ट आंसर दे रही
So,
Okay. What is the favorite color of Emily?
the favorite color of Emily is green, like a garden.
Garden.
Okay. So Emily's favorite color is green. Now tell me, what are the things that has been related with green?
The green is the things related with like a garden.
Okay. Garden, trees, grass, and garden. Okay. Now tell me, favorite animal of Paul.
The favorite animal of Paul is
Paul
dog.
is the dog.
Dog. Okay. Tell me the reason why Paul loves dog.
Because मतलब क्या कैसे इंग्लिश में बोलूं रुको. Because he loves dogs and he also loves pets.
Okay, but this is not the exact
because
reason.
he also has a pet.
Dog.
He's a dog.
Yeah. The name is
Max.
Max. The name of the dog.
The
Name of the
dog is Max.
dog of Paul
Top
is
dogs
Max.
is Max.
Okay. So, who is the favorite animal of Emily?
Favorite
The
animal
favorite animal of the Emily
is cat.
Emily's favorite animal?
cat.
Okay, can anyone tell me the name of Emily's cat?
Luna. The name
हाँ
of the
Luna.
Amazon cat is Luna.
क्या सोचता होगा कि सिर्फ लड़कियां ही बोल रही है।
Okay, so you all know that the favorite animal of Paul is a dog. The name is Max. All right,
Yes.
fine. But
Yes.
why? Why does Max love dogs? What is the reason?
Because
Because
मतलब
dogs are loyal and also friendly with his parents, yeah, his gardener, I think, guardians जो भी उनको
yes.
देखते हैं, देखभाल करते हैं उनकी।
Hmm. Okay. Emily's favorite animal. Okay, so Emily's favorite animal is cat. Why? What's the reason?
Because she is
Because he likes
so
it.
serious and pretty. नहीं
There can be so many reasons, but in the audio,
Be-
whatever you have heard, you have to mention that.
because she is because cats are very elegant and calm.
Yes. Yeah. Emily has used a word that is elegant. Her cat is
elegant,
hmm,
elegant, yes, and independent.
independent.
Yes.
Cats are very elegant and independent. Yes. Okay. Uh, what is the hobby Emily has?
The
his
Emily's has
family
hobbies too,
hobbies are
and
stories,
adventure stories.
adventure stories.
Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. Hobbies is okay.
Yes,
What is the time that she have mentioned? She had mentioned the time when she do the paintings.
7,
Wait, 7.
नहीं 7 p.m. I think.
No, no, no.
मॉर्निंग
Not that
या
late.
इवनिंग टाइम
Evening time.
ऐसे था शायद।
पता नहीं थोड़ा भूल रहे हैं.
There is no any exact time or any day is mentioned.
Okay.
Yes.
शायद
Like
हमने सुना
she
नहीं
she
है से
paints
ये लाइन।
she paints
ने
every
कहा था कि खेलने जाते हैं
weekend.
शाम को.
She paints every weekend.
Every weekend.
वीकेंड ओके।
Okay.
Mhm. Okay, so what kind of books does she love to read?
She loves to read adventures book, stories book.
Hmm. Okay, all right. What is the hobby of Paul?
The
The
hobby of
hobby
Paul
of
is
Paul is music
play
and
songs
two hobbies है but इसमें music and
listening to
sport
music.
and play with friends.
What kind of
Yeah.
music? Can you tell me?
Yeah.
What kind of music Paul
What
loves
kind of
to?
Music.
Hmm.
Paul
Paul
loves to
loves to
listen
listen.
all rock music and also she likes to play soccer with his
with
friends.
friends?
Okay, and
And
what kind of movies does he like to watch?
All
so
rock music.
related no comedy
Comedy
movies.
movie.
और मूवी
Comedy
आपने
movie.
पूछा, मुझे मुझे म्यूजिक सुनाई दिया एक्चुअली
No, no, no.
मैं नहीं
Comedy
all rock
What
movies.
is the reason? What is the reason that Paul loves to watch a comedy movie? Why? What is the reason?
Because he
because
love
he likes
all
to
time. He like to love. मतलब वो हंसना
He like,
चाहता है.
yeah, he likes to laugh. He likes to laugh. He loves to laugh. Okay,
Yes.
okay. And what about Emily? What kind of movies she loves to watch?
Animated movies.
Animated
She
movie and also comedy.
and also
comedy.
comedy. Yes.
Hmm. Okay, okay, okay. Nice. So, uh, Ishaq was silent here. Ishaq, so please start.
Yes, I am here.
Hmm. Whatever you have heard, and from the question answer, I think you might have remembered all the things, some points, even it means at least some points you have gathered in
Yes,
your
yes,
mind. So please.
yes, yes.
And from now onwards, I'm also giving some timeline. You have to complete under that timeline. So now it's 9:06, and Ishaq, your time starts now, and you have it's 9:07. Okay, you have 9:07 to 9:10. 3 minutes you have. Just
मतलब आप क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछोगे क्या?
no question session has been ended.
वाह, तो मुझे समराइज करना है मतलब 1-2 मिनट में.
Ishaq, it's your fourth week. I guess it's fourth week, fourth, third to fourth week. You don't know about listening class. In listening class, you have to listen the audio carefully, and after that, you have to explain the audio like a story. स्टोरी की तरह आपको एक्सप्लेन करना है ना ऑडियो को सुनने के बाद.
यस यस वो तो
भूल
हाँ
गए वो.
यस वो तो होमवर्क में
क्वेश्चन
करते हैं ना. मैं
आंसर
6
क्वेश्चन आंसर था नहीं पहले, ये तो मैं अपने तरफ से ऐड की हूँ ताकि आप लोग को कुछ कुछ पॉइंट्स और ज्यादा अच्छे से याद हो जाए, बस इसी के लिए. मेनली तो आपको खुद से ही वो एक्सप्लेन करना है, जो भी सुने हो जैसे भी. जस्ट बताओ एक स्टोरी की तरह, लाइक दो लोग थे, क्या क्या बातें कर रहे थे, क्या किसको पसंद है. इट्स वेरी इजी टॉपिक. ओके.
यस यस डोंट.
अभी स्टार्टिंग है, मैं ये नहीं बोलती हूँ कि आप एकदम करेक्ट फॉर्मेशन बनाओ सेंटेंस की. नो, मिस्टेक करो, और जो भी फॉर्मेशन है सेंटेंस का उसमें जितना रॉन्ग करना है करो, बट पॉइंट्स याद रखो, और एटलीस्ट किसी भी तरह से टूटे फूटे वे में मुझे बता दो, बस इतना ही चाहती हूँ मैं अभी के लिए. चलो ठीक है, स्टार्ट करो
राइट.
अब. 1 मिनट तुमने ले लिया इसी में. चलो स्टार्ट करो.
Two friend meetings. Uh, Basically two friend meetings and answer and questions, your hobbies and favorite foods and favorite colors and lot of questions. Friends gathering
Very good. Okay.
and questions. Emily and between Paul discussion about Paul favorite animals is dog and Emily favorite favorite food is pasta and Paul favorite food is pizza. Uh, Emily is cat lover. His Paul is dog lover.
Good.
Yes, and Paul hobby is listening to music, old rock music, and Emily hobby is she's painting. She's artist. Uh, mm, Emily cat name is Milona. Uh, it's done now.
What about the sports? Sports and movie.
Yes, Paul favorite movie comedies movies and animated movies because
Okay.
laughter because Paul is laughter is after comedy movies and really enjoy and animated movies.
Okay. Is it done?
It's done.
Okay. But I will listen it again. Okay. You have to say 3 times. It's your first time. Now I'm going to call another name. Okay. So please ready. Your work has not been finished now. You have to listen it continuously. Just right now, they means another persons are going to say the same thing. So please listen them carefully.
Okay.
Mm, Naz, now it's your turn.
Okay.
And Naz, you have time from it's 9:11 till 9:13. You have time.
Okay.
Hmm.
This conversation about two people, first is Paul and second is Emily. Emily asked some question about uh, नहीं sorry some question Paul से पूछती मतलब Paul is your hobby तो नहीं sorry गड़बड़ कर दी।
नाज की वॉइस क्लियर नहीं आ रही, आप लोग को आ रही है क्या?
कट रही मुझे भी लग रहा अजीब सा
आजा श्वेता, वॉइस क्लियर है नाज की तरफ से?
नहीं, कट रही है। मुझे लगा सिर्फ
मुझे
मुझे ही आ रही है, इसलिए मैंने कुछ कहा नहीं।
नहीं, मुझे भी
कुछ भी
नहीं।
समझ नहीं आ रहा है। वायर्ड
मुझे
ईयरफोन
भी
लेकर हो? नाज ईयरफोन लेकर हो क्या, वायर्ड ईयरफोन?
नहीं
अच्छा ठीक, एक बार फिर ट्राई करो। चलो एक बार फिर ट्राई करो।
this conversation about person first is Paul and second is Emily बारी सही ना
बोलो।
अजीब सा हो रहा
एक बार फिर तुम लीव करके एक बार फिर से ज्वाइन करो, शायद अच्छा हो जाए। ठीक है।
ओके
करो। श्वेता, यू गो। यू गो
ओके।
नाउ।
Uh, um, we before we listen to friends Paul and Emily meet each other and greeting. After greeting, they decide to talk about your favorite things like food, animal, pets, and also family and where they are from. So here we listen their favorite food. So firstly, Paul asked with Emily what she loved to eat. Uh, so Emily said she loved veg pizza, and she also liked to eat pasta. And after that, Emily asked Paul to what he liked to eat. Paul said he liked to eat pepperoni pizza. And after that, they go to another topic. It is a favorite color. Emily asked Paul what color he liked. So Paul said he liked the blue color. And Emily appreciate his choice and said, "Very good. It's a nice and calm color." And after that, Paul asked Emily's favorite color. She said she liked green, and Paul compared green with nature, like tree, leaves, and garden also. Then they go to favorite animal, discuss about their favorite animal, and Paul said he liked dog because dogs are very loyal and friendly, and because he also has a dog as his pet animal. And Emily said she liked cat because cat are very elegant, and also same reason because she has a cat as her pet. And after that, they go to hobbies. Emily said she is a art student, so she loves painting every weekend. She paint every weekend, and also she read book. which was adventure storybook, and Paul said he like to listen old rock music, and also like to play soccer with his friends. After that, they asked about movies to each other, from each other. Paul said he liked comedy movies, and after that, Emily said she also liked comedy movies, and also animated movies. That's it.
Very nice. Clap. Please clap
इस
for.
बार मैंने थोड़ा ज्यादा ही जल्दी जल्दी मतलब
Standing
बनाकर बोल
ovation.
दिया.
Standing ovation. कमाल है.
It was very nice. Okay. Hmm.
Thank you.
So now who is messaging? Wasim, sorry for today. I'm very tired. I woke up 4 a.m. Seri plus travel plus dinner duty. Please send me audio. I'll share tomorrow. Okay, Shweta. So, the all thing. Shweta के लिए heart. Oh. Yes.
थैंक यू अजरा. एक्चुअली मुझे भी खुद के लिए हार्ट देना चाहिए, बिकॉज मैंने खुद पहली बार बिना रुके इतना जल्दी जल्दी बोला. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है,
It was very, very nice. I was very feeling very
बिकॉज सिर्फ
proud.
पॉइंट्स को लिखकर मैंने इतना अच्छा बोल दिया. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा बोलने के बाद.
Okay. Chalo. So, Shweta, one thing, have you observed that you were explaining about their habits? What are the habits they
Yeah.
have? Their favorite, like their likes and dislikes. Okay, what they like, what they don't like, their favorite sports, and their favorite movie. So these comes under your present indefinite tense. Okay, present
Okay.
indefinite tense. Like you can understand. मुझे एनिमेटेड मूवी मैं एनिमेटेड मूवी देखना पसंद करती हूँ. ओके, नोटिस दीज टू वर्ड, करती हूँ. ओके. मैं
Okay.
मुझे मैं पिज्जा खाना पसंद करती हूँ. या आप जब बता रहे हो उसके बारे में, पॉल को पिज्जा खाना पसंद है, पॉल पिज्जा खाना पसंद करता है. तो देयर आर सो मेनी सेंटेंसेस एवरीवेयर. यू विल नोटिस व्हेन यू विल ट्रांसलेट इट इनटू हिंदी में जब आप इसको ट्रांसलेट करोगे, देन यू विल गेट टू नो दैट एवरी सेंटेंस इज एंडिंग विथ ता है, ती है, ते है, इन दिस वे.
ती है. Yeah.
Okay, so keep it remember when you are forming sentences, when you are describing about someone's favorite thing, someone's like and dislike. So whenever you are pronouncing like he, she, or any person's name, so please put s or es with the verb. Like each and every time
Okay.
you are saying that paul's uh, paul's Paul loves to eat pizza or anything. So Paul loves. It's Paul loves.
Okay.
Okay. Paul loves to
Paul
eat
loves.
pizza.
Okay.
Yeah.
He
You are,
likes इस तरीके का. Oh.
yes, he likes, she likes, he loves, she loves, he loves to play saucer, he loves to what
मतलब हम इसे जैसे उनके फेवरेट किसी चीज के बारे में बता रहे हैं, तो अगर जैसे वो हमेशा से यही फेवरेट उनका रहा है, तो इसीलिए हम एस का यूज करेंगे कि वो उनकी आदत है या वो हैबिट है उनकी इसको पसंद रखना हमेशा.
Mhm. It was your first time, that's why I didn't interrupt in between. But I will also give second chance. Okay, second and third chance. So I think third chance is not possible for today. It's already 9:20. So now Ishaq has done, Naz has done, and you have already done, and there is only Azra. Okay, we will go with the second round, and in second round I will correct each of you wherever you are doing mistake. In first round I am
Okay.
just giving you the chance to speak fluently whatever you can. Okay, now after the second like the second round, while the second round I will correct you at each and every places. Okay. All right. But yeah, it was very excellent performance. Keep it up, just.
Thank you.
Chalo, Azra. Now it's your turn. The last one. You give so many answers. You give so many answers to get the last position.
Okay, shall I start?
Please do.
The conversation between the two friends, Pop and Emily. They talk about favorite things, her favorite things.
Azra, it's
Um,
their favorite thing. This was the same mistake with Shweta. Their favorite thing, because you are
their,
going to describe about both.
their, their
So their
favorite.
favorite thing. Hmm.
Okay. Emily said to Pop, "What is your favorite food?" So Pop says that your favorite food is pizza. So the Emily said that I love I love pizza too,
Hmm.
and uh, and but my number one favorite food is pasta.
Hmm.
After that, Emily asked to Pop, "What is your favorite color?" So the Pop says that my favorite color is blue, like a sky, and Emily's favorite color is green, like a garden and leaf. Uh, After that, they talk about her hobbies.
Their
So
hobby.
their hobbies. Sorry, एक गलत हो गया. Their hobbies. So the Pop says that. Uh,
Listen, you are saying that they talked about. So they, if you are using they, then you have to use their. they talked about their hobbies. अगर तुम ये
okay.
बोलोगे कि लाइक सिर्फ पॉल के बारे में बता रहे हो कि पॉल और ही talked about, then you will say his. He talked about his favorite things or hobbies. He talked about his favorite hobby, not favorite, sorry. He talked about his hobby. अगर एमिली के बारे में बात कर रहे हो, then she talked about her hobby. इंडिविजुअल किसी को ले रहे हो तब हिज और हर यूज करोगे, बट अगर दे बोल रहे हो कि उन लोगों ने अपने ये हॉबी के बारे में बातें की, देन दे, THEY, दे टॉक्ड अबाउट देयर. अब समझ आ रहा है कि देयर क्यों लगेगा वहां पर, है ना?
Yes.
जब इंडिविजुअल किसी को पॉइंट कर रहे हो कि उसने अपने बारे में, देन हिज और हर यूज कर सकते हो. बट यहाँ पे क्या है, हम लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं, उन लोगों ने अपने हॉबी के बारे में बात की. सो दे टॉक्ड अबाउट देयर हॉबी. Okay.
Okay.
Now continue.
So they talk about their hobbies. So the Pop says that his hobbies his hobbies to listening music, play
Hmm.
song, and also play soccer with his friends.
Hmm.
After that, Emily said she loves adventures, stories, book, and all and also they talk about their movies. So Emily said she loves animated movies, and Pop says he loves comedy movies.
Hmm.
That's it.
Okay. You
That,
are finished now. Okay. Ishak, now it's your second turn. Go with your second turn. Your time is 21, 25 to 28. 3 minutes you have to wrap up your story. Okay.
Okay.
And I think after listening all of them, you have got some idea that how to describe.
Yes, I try my best.
Good.
There are two friends meeting, Paul and Emily,
Hmm.
uh, and there are both
Please say it again.
discussion.
There are two friends. Ishak, please say it again.
two friends meeting. Both friends meeting is a discussion about uh, like hobbies and favorite things. A lot of
Okay.
discussion.
After two friends, you have to put an auxiliary verb, that is ARER. Two friends are meeting. Two friends are meeting.
Yes, there are two friends are meeting. Emily and both. Emily and Paul. Sorry.
अच्छा ईशान,
Discuss.
तुमको ये क्लियर है, इज एम आर का जो यूज है वो क्लियर है?
Yes, मुझे clear है.
ओके, बताओ मुझे थोड़ा जल्दी.
इस मतलब हम उधर लगाते हैं जिधर कोई चीज होनी होती है, मतलब जैसे कि दिस इज अ टेबल, ये मतलब एक ये टेबल है, या दिस इज अ कैट, ये कैट है. तो यूर नेम मतलब आपका नेम क्या है, मतलब आर हम उधर लगाते हैं जिधर है बोलना होता है कि दिस इज योर कैट, ये आपकी बिल्ली है. दिस इज योर कार, ये आपकी कार है.
ओके, ऑलराइट. टेल मी, यू नो द आइडिया रिलेटेड टू सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल. Singular and plural, like where you have to use is and where you have to use are.
I don't.
You don't know. Naz, please tell me, do you know about it?
Yes.
Yes, please explain, Ishak, where you have to use is and where you have to use are in case of singular and plural.
सिंगुलर में मतलब इज होता है और प्लूरल में आर. जैसे हम कुछ कर रहे वी आर
वॉइस नहीं आ रही, बिल्कुल भी वॉइस नहीं आ रही.
Your voice is terrific.
क्या पता क्या हो गया.
Azra, you explain it. Okay, Naz, I got you. I heard you. I got you that you know it. Like you told that singular के साथ is and plural के साथ are. Okay, fine. Azra, you explain to Isha.
Yes. Please say it again. Please say it again. What describe?
Where you have to use is, am, are in case of singular and plural.
आई के साथ हमेशा एम लगता है और यू के साथ हमेशा आर लगता है. यू के साथ हम इस कभी नहीं बोल सकते हैं. यू के साथ हमेशा आर ही लगता है और आई के साथ हमेशा एम ही लगता है. आई के साथ हम इस नहीं बोल सकते. इसी तरह से
Okay.
ये. Yeah.
Okay, but I'm not asking about pronouns. I'm asking about in case of singular and plural in the scenario.
Singular
Hmm.
and plural. अच्छा.
Like if there is a cat, so with a single cat, you will use is or are.
Oh, is.
Yeah. And if I will say two
They
cats.
are two cats. They interact with each other. So
Okay, so two cats, with two cats, what will we use? Is or are?
are.
Are. So the same thing you have to explain to Ishak. Okay, no issue.
Oh,
Ishak, देखो, सिंगल, जब भी किसी सिंगल चीज की बात हो, सिंगल पर्सन, सिंगल थिंग, एंड ठीक है, सिंगल कोई एक हो तो वहां पर आप इस का यूज करते हो, आई एस इज. ठीक है. एंड अगर मोर देन वन है, एक से ज्यादा है, तो वहां पर ए आर ई आर का यूज करते हैं. सो लाइक इन योर सेंटेंस यू आर सेइंग टू फ्रेंड्स मीटिंग. सो टू फ्रेंड्स, दो लोग है ना, एक से ज्यादा लोग है ना, तो कौन सा ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब यूज करोगे? ए आर ई आर. टू फ्रेंड्स आर मीटिंग.
Yes, I understand.
Now continue.
Emily and Paul. Emily is female name and Paul boy's name. Discussion favorite things, hobbies, and lot of things.
Okay.
Paul is from USA.
Hmm.
Is a very beautiful garden. Like
Okay.
Emily, she is from Canada,
Very nice.
uh, and very small apartment. लीव जहाँ पे वो रहती है वो बहुत छोटा अपार्टमेंट है
Okay.
राइट
Her apartment is very small. Yeah, she has a
यस
small.
अपार्टमेंट इज वेरी स्मॉल एंड Paul is a dog lover is because loyal and very carefully.
You can say because dogs are loyal and friendly.
Yes, loyal or friendly.
Make full sentence, Ishak, when I am correcting you. So please repeat the full sentence. Then you will be able to finish. Can I leave meeting? Okay, Azra, you can. And Shweta, you have to
एक्चुअली मैं
also.
भी यही कह रही थी। हाँ, मैं भी यही कह रही थी।
Okay, I think so. Okay, then I should finish it now. Okay. अभी अभी फिनिश कर देती हूँ मैं, ठीक है। बाकी जो भी, क्योंकि एक एक बार तो मैं सुन चुकी हूँ आप लोगों को। एक काम करो, होमवर्क में तो होगा ही है। होमवर्क में सेम थिंग लिख कर एंड ऑडियो में रिकॉर्ड करके मुझे भेजोगे, तो सारा मिस्टेक्स जो भी है मैं वहां पे करेक्ट कर दूंगी, ठीक है।
तो मतलब हम
Okay.
पहले लिखेंगे फिर उसको भेजेंगे ताकि जो करेक्शन है वो कर सकें। बिकॉज़ बोलने में और लिखने में तो दोनों अलग-अलग आ जाते हैं, तो फिर थोड़ा, क्योंकि हर बार लाइनें चेंज होती है ना, तो
ठीक है। एक काम करो, आप लोग पहले लिख कर देना मुझे, सुनना ऑडियो को, उसके बाद। और मुझे नहीं पता सुनते हो या नहीं, लेकिन ऑडियो को लिखने या बोलने से पहले कई बार सुना करो, 3 टाइम्स 5 टाइम्स। जितना ज्यादा सुनोगे उतना ज्यादा क्लियर होगा।
हाँ, हाँ। मैं
ठीक है।
एक-एक लाइन को उसके बाद ही लिखती हूँ ताकि मतलब वो सही हो, एग्ज़ैक्ट।
ठीक है, ठीक है। हाँ, तो पहले आप लोग लिख कर ही भेज देना, लिख कर भेजना, मैं करेक्ट करके भेज दूंगी जो भी होगा उसमें। उसके बाद ऑडियो को रिकॉर्ड करना, ये बेटर होगा। इससे आप लोगों की जो स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस होगी, स्पोकन प्रैक्टिस जो भी होगी, वो करेक्ट ग्रामर के साथ होगी, है ना। ठीक है, बट थोड़ा जल्दी करोगे, ज्यादा लेट मत करना आप लोग। नहीं तो आप लोग को
अभी करना है?
इफ यू आर एबल टू डू दैट देन यू कैन, लाइक योर होमवर्क टाइमलाइन
नहीं,
स्टार्ट्स
अभी तो
फ्रॉम।
फिलहाल टाइम नहीं है अभी मेरे पास,
नो प्रॉब्लम,
इसीलिए।
यू हैव द होल डे
एक्चुअली
ऑफ।
कल कल जाना है, तो इसी वज़ह से सभी को मेहंदी लगवानी है, तो इसीलिए सब पीछे पड़े हुए हैं।
ओह, तुम मेहंदी लगा लेते हो?
हाँ, मतलब काम चलाओ,
फिर भी
ज़्यादा
बहुत है।
अच्छा नहीं।
नहीं, फिर भी बहुत है।
मैंने खुद ही नहीं लगाई और सबको लगवानी है, तो
ये
इसीलिए।
अच्छी बात है, अच्छी बात है.
आर्टिस्ट, आर्टिस्ट वाली चीज है, फिर भी एक आर्टिस्टिक।
She is so talented, so talented.
ऑफ कोर्स। ओके, ठीक है, मैं होमवर्क मेंशन कर लूंगी, और कल का पूरा डे है, कल तक आप लोग कर लोगे। ओके।
ओके, अच्छा कल मैं क्लास अटेंड नहीं करूँगी, याद है, मैंने
आई
बोला
रिमेम्बर
था।
दैट। यस।
ओके,
ओके, बाय।
बाय, गुड नाइट एवरीवन। थैंक यू आशिया।
गुड नाइट।